Hey everyone, welcome to the quick guide on how to fix TikTok live comments not showing. Let's dive right in. Start by checking your internet connection, whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data. A poor connection can prevent comments from loading properly. Next, close and reopen the TikTok app. It's also a good idea to visit your app store to ensure you're using the most up-to-date version. Once that's done, see if the issue has been resolved. If you're still having trouble, it's time to report the problem. Go to the Report a Problem section in TikTok's settings. Navigate to Live, Viewing Live, and select the option that says I can't send or see live comments. Follow the on-screen steps to troubleshoot. Be sure to check whether you've been muted by the host or a live moderator, or if you've been temporarily restricted from commenting due to a guideline violation. If the problem continues after completing those steps, tap No. When asked if the issue is fixed, and you're watching someone else's live stream, try clearing the app's cache by going to Settings, Free Up Space, then tap Clear next to the cache option. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the issue of TikTok live comments not showing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.